I reached Bhimbetka. I had to keep my bag here. I don't know where to keep. Ticket counter किधर? ये bag कहाँ रखना है? इधर कुछ है? So that's the room where I kept my luggage. This is my guide for the day, Mr. Yadav, Ravi Kumar Yadav. I'm in Bhimbetka and he's going to show me everything here. Right, sir?
Yeah.
How old is this place?
Actually, this site is the Stone Age.
Mm.
History is 100,000 years old, and painting is 30,000 years old. So this is the oldest site in the world.
In the world?
In the world. Bhimbetka discovered by 1957. Dr. Vishnu Sridhar Wakankar. Bhimbetka, the jungle, the part of Ratnapani Wildlife Sanctuary. Area is very big, 900 square kilometer. Bhimbetka famous in rock paintings. Early human create first language, pictographical language. Millions years ago, the part of Bhimbetka under the sea. Then after water level down, heavy wind erosion, shelters and caves converted. This is a welcome gate of Bhimbetka. Looks like a auditorium. So name is Auditorium Conference Hall, and outside, huge animal. Look at the top, animal big head, honeycomb in here, wild honey.
Honeycomb, yeah.
In the middle, neck, lower side 2 leg, and back side tail. Looks like dinosaur Godzilla.
Godzilla, yeah, actually, yes, you're right.
Look at the top on the roof. 2300 BC years old pictures. Elephant rider, early man, and then backside elephant rider is a bull hunting. Testing by scientific method by radiocarbon dating is 4300 years old. Bhimbetka's rock painting built by 4 types of pigments: white, red, green and yellow. Sandstone be sedimentary, but scientifically proved this rock is color absorbed. This cave, Bhimbetka's biggest and largest cave. Early period, this cave used in early man before hunting and fighting. So her name is Auditorium Conference Hall. And this sound is a bats and pigeons.
Oh, this rock, it looks different.
Yeah. This is a sedimentary, madam.
It's shining over there.
Shining. So, madam, Auditorium caves figure is Mesolithic period. Deer figure, bull figure, on the top geometrical design peacock, and my right hand side tiger figure. What head is damaged? Reason: before 1971, no government rule in Bhimbetka, no security in here. So local people touch it, scratches, painting is gone.
Yeah.
And my left hand side human beings sitting off groups. Groups means this cave used in early man before hunting and fighting is group meeting. Madam, in the period of 1973 to 85, around the jungle explored, 4 meter depth, earth in different layers excavated. Bhimbetka is no museum. Reason: the Bhimbetka is part of jungle, the part of wildlife sanctuary. So museum is not permission. So total material collected in State Museum Bhopal. So madam, lower Paleolithic is period of 100,000 chopper tools, chopping tools. Middle Paleolithic is period of 40,000 handles, cleaver scraper. Middle upper Paleolithic scraper warrior Virin. Mesolithic blade pine, Neolithic salt pick. Total tools are collected in State Museum Bhopal.
In that night time, do any wild animals come here?
Yeah, madam, total wildlife. This site closed in 5 o'clock.
Okay, closed by 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, madam, this sheltered natural formation of rock looks like a mushroom, sheep type. Inside a total number of figure 550, 550. UNESCO team visited in 2001 before declare World Heritage Site. Bhimbetka declare World Heritage Site in 9 July 2003. Some figure faded. 252 different kind of wild animal figure. So, madam, name is Zura. Look at the top. Mammoth type, long tusk elephant.
Yeah.
Elephant rider, early man, stone weapons used to hunting. Spotted deer, leopard, elephant, buffalo, around the world. Total UNESCO site 1199. But our India 42. Every shelters and caves looks like a different view. So next rock looks like a turtle rock, madam.
Okay.
One rock
Yeah.
looks like a turtle rock.
Okay. So these are all sediment.
All sedimentary, madam.
Okay.
Let me click one of.
Oh, that
So
one.
I will repeat. Millions years ago, the Parta Bhimbetka under the Tethys Sea. So underwater period water erosion, and then afterward level down, heavy wind erosion, shelters and caves converted. So this is a natural form convert. Looks like a turtle form. Right inside face, back side tail. So this is complete tortoise, but madam, my left inside, in the middle part, looks like a crocodile. A small part. This one.
Oh yes, yes.
And in the upside, lion face.
Yeah, that's a lion face. In the middle is a crocodile. That's the tortoise. The tortoise. There's a lion face, and below that you have the crocodile. I love this place. Slowly, 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 slowly. Yes. Yeah. So you said 15 caves are open for public, right?
Actually, 15 is a local tourist and other jungle visit by Gypsy Jungle Tour. In Bhopal, madam. All day tour. So, please. So, madam, this formation of rock looks like a open the loin mouth. Inside is some red color picture.
Yeah.
So, my right hand side, just madam, is a peacock, flying bird, snake tail, sitting of hunter, human with his chain links, and this is a royal procession. Right one horse decoration, decorated horse at early match group trekking, backside is soldiers go to the hunting. So this painting period of 3rd century AD, 1700 years old. Madam, actually 3 types of art built this area. Gond art in very popular Madhya Pradesh, Madhubani in Bihar, and Warli in Thane Palghar, Maharashtra. So this is a Gond art in Madhya Pradesh, madam.
You know, when I look at this, it looks like a gorilla face to me.
Yeah. Your imagination is just like a gorilla.
Gorilla
And
eyes on
outside
top.
is the open the lion mouth.
Yeah.
Other shelters in the top, some red color
Yeah.
outside of it. Yeah, white and red color pictures. Other shelters, green and yellow. So madam, green and yellow, flowers and leaves color.
What's in this? Inside that?
Yeah, shelters. You take a photo.
Just
Take a
yeah.
photo. Inside is nothing, but madam, actually earlier no light. So painting is outside.
Oh, but I'd like to I'll just quickly go in and come, okay?
से जोड़ा गया बट देखा स्क्रीन नहीं है इमेजिंग करके नाम दिया है। जैसे सभागृह मीटिंग हॉल देखा ऐसे ही उनको आप दोनों वेंटिलेशन में आपको बाहर साइड से दिखाऊंगा। काफी हाइट पे उस साइड से जानवर अटैक नहीं कर सकता है। तो आदि मानव लोग इस गेट से अंदर आते होंगे, इसको आग से या पत्थर से कुछ चीज से बंद करेंगे, आराम से सोते हैं, उनको जानवर का डर भी नहीं रहता होगा, हवा भी लगती होगी। भीमबेटका में इसकी 230 गुफा है, बट टूरिस्ट के लिए एक यहाँ पे टोटल 720 किलोमीटर एरिया
It's like about 2 feet high. So this is where the Stone Age people used to live. These were their caves. Adi Manavs.
मिले हुए
There's even skeletons found of the Adi Manav here. Skeleton of Adi Manav was found there?
Madam, many skeleton. The height is 4.5 feet to 6 feet. So,
Yeah.
so upside, mammoth type long tusk elephant, period of Upper Paleolithic, 22,000 BC. Elephantidae, early mammoth group tracking. This is a hunter, but lower side figure is much later. This is Arabian horse figure. In 11th century AD, Muhammad Ghori Ghazni period, Arabian horse came in India. This is flower pot. In the jungle, Gond tribe population, flower pot. Yellow color pot, green color leaves, white color flowers. And 9 yellow color shape depict of fruit in the jungle, dry fruit, kanmul. So, madam,
Yeah.
Actually, this barricades in 2016. Before 2016, no barricade in here. So local people touches and scratches. So right one. This is a white color tree.
Oh yeah.
Three branches sitting of peacock. Peacock sound is musical in the jungle.
Yeah.
And madam, in the middle, one entrance to the hunting, and in the bottom, early people maximum hunting deer, etc. So madam, time to time painting designing improvement, 3600 years old figures. So madam, look at buffalo figure, deer figure, bull figure, and the bottom wild pig figure. So first generation depict of wild animal, wildlife, and then second generation connect to the hunting. Early people is in bow and arrow to hunting, horse side women and weapons with hunting. Madam, actually government not a covered in total shelter, so this is a open shelters. Local people climb the upside. So 2400 years old figure, but 99% painting is damaged. So upside hunter figure, bottom side some deer figure. Yeah, but clear figure this way. Perfect.
Okay. So in total, how many shelters are there?
Jungle 1000 plus.
1000 plus.
1000 plus. It's actually total site visit by a full day jungle tour. 95 o'clock.
You have to book for it separately?
Yeah, but online booking, but visit via only rainy, only winter, madam. Rainy season is a jungle closed.
Acha.
And summer season not allowed. So October, November, December, January, February, and March last, madam.
The Bhimbedka official website, it will be available.
Yeah. So, madam, look at the top on the roof. 2800 BC, 4800 years old. So my right hand side decorated wild boar, wild pig figure. Left hand side decorated elephant, looks like rhino, but this is an elephant, madam. Rhino in northeast Assam type, and someone is a small size hunter and deer figures.
This looks like a big mushroom on top.
From here.
Yeah. Okay.
So, madam, these shelters, natural formation of rock, looks like a mushroom, and inside a red color, very huge animal figure. 1 by 1 meter biggest wild animal, 6900 BC. So this is a wild boar. Beautiful horn, big size body, back side tail. So in the upside body looks like a bison, but the biggest huge mouth shape and a small leg looks like a wild pig. But madam, your knowledge, wild pig is no horn, bison is this type no mouth. So this is unknown extinct type animal. Attack in early people is helpless. One side is a wild boar attack, second side is a big crab. But madam, crab only water. So this is a big spider or a scorpion type.
Right.
On my left hand side, small
That's
side deer.
the crab. Okay.
Yeah.
Crab or spider. Okay. Cool. So you've been a guide here since how many years, sir?
Madam, I am working in previous 16 years.
Oh, wow.
16 year long program. And my father government employee, but his retirement, 35 years service in Bhimbed. So, madam, this is photo captured by a drone. But the upside looks like a snake hood.
Yeah.
Inside 2 eye in here. So looks like a Naga type. Inside a wild boar pictures, wild boar figures. So name is Boar Rock, madam.
Oh, this is the boar rock.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. That was quite a climb. Yeah.
So, madam, these shelters, rock painting, depict of fighting scenes. Basically, early people lion hunting, but after civilization, population is growth, small groups divided, sometimes fighting start. So, these soldier, very light figure.
Can you
is
put the
surrender.
torch?
Yeah. Madam, actually this area is no sunlight.
अच्छा ठीक है.
So in the upside, this soldier is surrendered. These soldiers sitting off elephant, spears to attack. Both side fighting start and total pictures is fightings related. So this is a period of 700 AD, 1300 years old figure. But figure over the left, superimposition. So we see in the hunting scenes, fighting scenes, gathering scenes, and other shelter. Gond art, Madhubani art, Warli art. Someone is the entertainment pictures madam.
Right.
So hunting, fighting, gathering, entertainment related pictures.
So the last cave painting recorded in this was like what, 800 years back or even before?
Yeah, madam. Starting 30,000 to later period 800 years old.
अच्छा.
Madam, these shelters rock painting depict of is a Warli art. Is very popular Thane, Palghar, Maharashtra. My left hand side horse side earlyman. Different types of weapons used to hunting. This is group hunting method using dangerous animal, lion, tiger, etc. 2200 years old figures. In the middle figures, local people damage. And in the upside, 6th century AD, rectangle types horse method. So madam, rectangle and triangle, the pattern used in Warli art, Gond art and stick figure, Madhubani is complete figures. So we see in the hunting scenes, fighting scenes, gathering scenes, and then happy ending, group dance figure. After the hunting celebration, festival types. Okay, so madam sir, these shelters rock painting depict of entertainment figure. So in the upside, this person is musician, wood mridang type instrument, drum type instrument uses. In the middle, gents is group dance, similar in Northeast Assam and Bihu. So this is a Gond dance. One female and male couple dance, complete point is celebration point. Testing by scientific method by radiocarbon dating is 700 BC, 2700 years old. My left hand side, similar in dance pattern, buffalo figure, deer figure, on the roof, bull figure. So madam, first generation depict of wild animal, wildlife, and then second generation connect to the hunting. In the autumn, animal rider, early man is group trekking, backside is soldiers go to the hunting. And after the hunting celebration festival types. And my right hand side, one hunter sitting off tree branches before hunting, one red color animal watch. So red color animals looks like a wild pig. Yes. So hunting, fighting, gathering, entertainment related pictures.
Right.
Right करना चाहेंगे आप? So madam, this is the first man-made activity. Is a carving made by microstone tool. टोटल करीब 45 को बना हुआ है। साइड एफेक्टिव समझना चाहें तो चलो ठीक है। हाँ ठीक है, आ नहीं सर, मुझे भी लगती है कि फ्री मेरा उद्देश्य है सब कुछ देखो। राइट करना चाहेंगे आप? So, madam, this is the last one you
Okay.
This is a small shelters. Is a period of in the Indian history golden period 5th century AD. Horse had early men go to the hunting.
Right. Hey, cool.
So, madam, this is our
So this was the 15th shelter?
15 shelters.
Great. Thank you so much, sir. It was amazing. Look at this.
1957. Wow. Dr. Vishnu.
I finished my Bhimbetka tour. Wow, this is very cool. Look at this. I am at the Bhimbetka Rock Shelter, and this is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, which consists of 7 hills and over 750 rock shelters distributed over 10 kilometers. And some of these shelters were inhabited more than 100,000 years ago. The word Bhimbetka, it actually means Bhima's resting place or Bhima's lounge. Bhima was one of the Pandava brothers from Mahabharata. So during his exile, he used to come here and rest to interact with the locals. Hence they named this place in his honor, Bhimbetka. A lot of honeycombs I see. Let me zoom in and show you. There you see? Lots of honeycombs. I think it's a shop. Let me go down and check. Oh, there's restroom. But if there was a canteen, he would say canteen, right? I don't think there's any canteen. There's just a toilet. So that's drinking water. You can also get to have some honey. Loads of honeybees. Should I get out of here? Look at the honeybees. So many. Let me get the hell out of here. I am so thirsty. I need water. Oh, I'm waiting for my cab person to come so that I can start towards Madhai. So I finished my Bhimbetka tour and I'm waiting for my cab person to come and drive me to Madhai. It's nothing less than 45 degrees here. If you're planning to come here, please get enough water and food because there are absolutely no shops. I am extremely thirsty and there is no water or nothing available here, but I was lucky enough to find a room to put my luggage. Otherwise I'd have had to carry my luggage all the way up those hills. This place is located along Bhopal-Hoshangabad highway, Raisen district. Okay, if I go ahead a little, there is a Kul Devi temple which I was not shown because I need to go walking. This is not a part of that particular cave shelter, So let me just walk till my driver comes to pick me up. When he comes, I will ask him to come up. I'm so thirsty. There should be at least a shop to sell water. Maybe they don't want the place to be littered. That's why they don't have any shops here. Oh, there it is. The temple. I love going in hot sun, summer showers of sunshine. I think this is the cave that they were talking about. No, that's the cave. Oh, oh, oh. Look at this. Just take a look at this root. See this root? Oh. Wow. I wonder what tree it is. Whatever it is beautiful. This is just outside the Kul Devi temple at Bhimbetka. Okay. इसको करने साथ पानी
दवाइए उसको दवाइए।
काटेगा?
नहीं काटेगा,
नहीं काटेगा।
दवाइए।
ओह,
इधर से इसको
ओके, थैंक यू। ओह फक। वो क्या है, एमपी का टूरिज्म का है? अच्छा, वो उसको उतना दूर क्यों लगा? इधर बाजू में
ये सेंचुरी एरिया है ना, टाइगर, पैंथर, डियर, वाइल्ड बोर, सारे जानवर हैं।
हाँ।
इधर देखते चलिए, हो सकता है आपको दिख जाए।
इतना धूप में कौन आएगा भैया?
कल या परसों है ना, गाय के बछड़े को ले गए, उठा के
क्या बोल रहे? शेर या बाघ?
हाँ,
आपको इधर कभी ऐसा देखने को मिला?
कई बार मिला है।
अच्छा,
मैं यहाँ पे 2010 से हूँ, 12 साल हो गए।
अरे वाह, बढ़िया है।
इधर पानी पीने के लिए जाता है वो बाल गंगा।
इधर क्या है पानी पीने के लिए? लेक है?
हाँ,
अच्छा,
लेक भी है। और पुराने टाइम का, जैसे देखिए, मानव जहाँ रहेगा, आदि मानव भी रहेगा, तो पानी तो चाहिए ना।
हाँ हाँ, वो तो है, करेक्ट।
तो टिकट काउंटर के पास में बाल गंगा और पंडापुर करके जगह है।
हाँ,
12 महीना जमीन में पानी रहता है।
अच्छा। ये बारिश के मौसम में बहुत अच्छा रहता है, नहीं?
बारिश और सर्दी में इंडियन टूरिस्ट आता है,
अच्छा।
कोई टूरिस्ट नहीं आता।
हाँ, मैं रॉन्ग टाइम सेलेक्ट कर लिया। Oh, there's a train coming. Okay. Yeah, there's a resort here. I am saved. Let me go there. Ah, thank you. Highway treat. Boy, I am saved. Okay, there's a restaurant. Again. I am dead. भैया, देखो। खाने को क्या मिलेगा? खाने को क्या मिलेगा? मेनू है? मेनू है? Home.